All right, so one of the big things that we discovered in the immense searching we've done throughout the universe is that there are some pretty strange planets. Obviously, with that video, we saw the diamond planet, and we saw an entire water planet, and things like that. And so most of those planets would be considerably uninhabitable, just because of the sheer situation that you're in. So life would be almost nearly impossible, except for a few possibilities, such as the water world. That one is there's a definite possibility if it's in the right situation. If it's in that Goldilocks zone, Kepler 438b obviously is the most likely to support life, and it'd be probably fairly similar to our planet. It just depends on how their systems work compared to ours. So that's one of the big things to think about. But on the other things, the extremes with the some of those gas giants that they described are just so large or um, just so hot that nothing could happen. And the one I can't remember the first one, the one that's super dark. Obviously, that's one of those things where um, being just gas giants in themselves, you can't support life because there is no land mass or anything like that where you can form life, and most of the time there's no liquid water on those gas giants.